let's move to the question number 3. Curve with equation y is equal to x cube is stretched with the scale factor 4 in the x direction and then translated by 5 negative 2. Find the equation of the transform curve. You don't need to simplify your answer. Okay, first thing you should remember, when we have the y is equal to f of x, and when this function is transformed, the equation become y is equals to a times f of x minus h over b plus k, where a is the vertical stretching or compression. Similarly, b is the horizontal stretching or compression. Okay, now h and k are the translation vectors, which is given, h and k is given, which is 5 and negative. Okay, so it is given that there is a stretching of factor 4 by x direction, so the y is equals to x over 4, because b is the horizontal stretching and compression, so this will be after stretching. Now there is a translation by the vector 5 and negative 2, so this one is horizontal vector for the translation, and this is k is the vertical component for the translation or shifting. So y is equal to x minus h. H is the translation vector for the horizontal direction or x direction, so we can write it, h means x minus 5 over 4 whole cube. This equation represents the stretching in x direction by 4 and the translation in x direction by 5 units. Okay, now if we add the vertical component, which is negative 2, so it will be add up in this equation. So plus k means plus negative 2. Negative 2 means downward, and this positive means towards right. So we have y is equals to x minus 5 over 4 whole cube minus 2. So this is the required equation of the after transformation. Okay, we don't need to simplify it, so this one is the final answer.